Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this video, I will show you how to fix stack if stuck on a black loading screen or crashing on PC.
Fix 1. Run as administrator in compatibility mode. Step 1. Right-click the Skate game shortcut or exe file. Step 2. Select Properties, go to the Compatibility tab. Step 3. Check Run this program as an administrator. Step 4. Also check Run this program in compatibility mode for and select Windows 7 or 8. Step 5. Click Apply, then OK, and launch the game. Fix 2. Verify game files, Steam or eApp for Steam. Step 1. Open Steam, go to Library, right-click Skate, Properties. Step 2. Go to Local Files, click Verify, Integrity of Game Files. Step 3. Wait for the process to finish, then launch the game. For EA app, Step 1. Open EA app, go to My Collection, right-click Skate, Repair. Step 2. Wait for repair to complete, then launch the game. Fix 3. Disable full screen optimization and overlays. Step 1. Right-click Skate. exe Properties, Compatibility. Step 2. Checked Disable full screen optimizations. Step 3. Click Apply and OK. Step 4. Disable any overlays. Steam. Discord GeForce experience as they may cause crashes. Fix 4. Clear Skate cache, temporary files. Step 1. Press Window, R, type %of data%, press Enter. Step 2. Navigate to Skate folder, or EA Games, Skate. Step 3. Delete temporary cache files. Do not delete save files. Step 4. Launch the game again.